In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Phantom Wallet failed to authenticate issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a few different ways how to fix this, but one of the common problems I've found is that you might have a slow internet connection. So if you can fix that issue and get a fast internet connection, that is more than likely going to fix your problem. But if it doesn't, we might need to go ahead and do the next step, which is to clear the cache. So from here, click and hold down your Phantom Wallet, then click on the eye next to it to get into app info, and then scroll down and click on the storage, and then go ahead and click on the clear cache, and then head back and open up your Phantom Wallet to see if that fixes the problem. If it doesn't, another option is to go to your Play Store, and then we need to search for the Phantom Wallet. And then make sure your Phantom Wallet is updated to the latest version. As you can see, I need to update it. So if it says update, go ahead and update. If it doesn't say update and it says open, you've got the latest version of your Phantom Wallet installed on your mobile device. Yeah, so just let that update and then go ahead and open it. Now, if that doesn't fix the issues, go ahead and restart your phone and open up your Phantom Wallet again. See if that fixes the issue. Or the last method is to simply uninstall Phantom Wallet completely off your phone, and then go ahead to your Play or App Store and re-download your Phantom Wallet and put in your login credentials to re-log in to see if that fixes your problems. But before you do that, make sure to write down your recovery seed phrase so you can log back into your account.